Welcome to this tutorial on transferring cryptocurrency from Bybit Web3 wallet to Coinbase. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the necessary information to complete the transfer successfully. First, you need to have a Bybit Web3 wallet account and a Coinbase account. If you don't have one, sign up for both platforms by providing the required information and verifying your identity. To start the transfer, log into your Bybit Web3 wallet account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, click on the Send button and enter the recipient address. In this case, the recipient address is your Coinbase wallet address. You can find this address by logging in to your Coinbase account, navigating to the Accounts section, and selecting the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Copy the wallet address and paste it into the recipient address field in your Bybit Web3 wallet. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. After entering the recipient address, you need to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You can enter the amount in the available field or use the Max button to transfer the entire balance. Once you have entered the recipient address and the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. This includes the recipient address, the amount, and the transaction fee. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction by clicking on the Send button. The transaction will be processed and the cryptocurrency will be transferred to your Coinbase wallet. It is essential to note that transaction fees and processing times may vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. Make sure to check the transaction status regularly to ensure it has been completed successfully. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from Bybit Web3 wallet to Coinbase is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can complete the transfer quickly and securely. Remember to always double-check the recipient address and transaction details to avoid any mistakes.